When basic troubleshooting steps don't resolve your Hisense air conditioner's Wi-Fi connection, these advanced solutions can help get you connected. First, try AP mode when standard connection fails. Press and hold the Wi-Fi button on your air conditioner until the indicator light blinks slowly instead of rapidly. This creates a temporary network that your phone can connect to directly. Look for a network named Hisense AC followed by numbers. Connect to it, then complete the setup through the app. Firmware updates are crucial for maintaining stable Wi-Fi connections. Outdated firmware is a common cause of connectivity problems with Hisense air conditioners. Check for firmware updates regularly through the Hisense app. These updates not only fix bugs but also improve overall stability and compatibility with your home network. For smart home enthusiasts, Hisense is working on Matter compatibility, which will make integration with various smart home platforms much easier. Currently, Home Assistant integration is limited due to the lack of a public API. While some users have achieved basic integration, it requires significant technical effort. If all troubleshooting steps fail, the Wi-Fi module in your air conditioner may be defective. This is a hardware issue that requires professional attention. Contact Hisense customer support for assistance. If your unit is still under warranty, the defective Wi-Fi module may be covered for repair or replacement. As a final troubleshooting step, try resetting the remote control by removing the batteries for 10 minutes. This simple reset can sometimes resolve persistent connection problems. These advanced troubleshooting methods should resolve most persistent Wi-Fi connectivity issues with your Hisense air conditioner. Remember to be patient during the setup process and don't hesitate to contact support when needed.